Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, we will be talking about real user monitoring tools. There are a variety of tools available that support real user monitoring. We compare 18 different APM tools in this video, some of which offers real user monitoring capabilities. Stackify's application performance management solutions. Dynatrace provides real user monitoring as well as in-depth metrics to make it easy for you to determine why your app is having performance issues, around which web requests are happening most often and which requests take the most amount of time. And with its advanced reporting features, you can review the performance of every individual request, not just the top 5, along with robust log management capabilities, customizable method level profiling, compressive error monitoring, integrated log searching, and much more. So that's all from this video of real user monitoring tools, and always see you in the next video with interesting topic. Thank you guys for watching this video.